Hello and welcome to the demonstration of a dual video digital signage reference software solution developed by Celestial on a Sigma design based SoC. A digital signage device can be kept in any of the mass visiting places like hotels, shopping malls and railway stations, etc. These kinds of devices are used for advertisement or information purposes for visitors or tourists. The data or information to the display device can be loaded or modified remotely through the network. Celestial has used Sigma Design SMP8654 as the hardware platform for this demonstration. SMP8654 incorporates advanced audio-video processing required for consumer products like digital media players, digital signage devices, DTVs, recorders, IP set-top box, Blu-ray players, etc. Let me now explain the setup of this demo. We have a Sigma Design SMP8654 hardware platform. Also, we have used an HDTV as the display device for this demo, connected to the hardware through an HDMI cable. We have used a laptop as a local server, feeding data to the hardware through a network cable. For this demonstration, we have developed a sample GUI, which is meant for a digital signage device used in multiplex movie theaters. Let me first explain the GUI functionalities developed by Celestial. On the left side of the display are the banners for various consumer products. In the center is the latest news update from RSS feed. On the right side also there are two JPEG based banners which displays the upcoming and running movies. At the center, top and bottom there are two HD video being played simultaneously using hardware SDK's player utility. As you can see, the two videos are being decoded and displayed smoothly onto the TV without any hitches. This is possible because of the strong multi-decoder handling capability of the Sigma Design hardware. Note that in this GUI, different videos or banners can be easily configured in various time slots as desired by the customer. Also, the look and feel of the GUI can be very easily changed. Let me now explain the components that Celestial has ported or developed for this demonstration. We have ported open source version of DirectFB on the SMP8654 platform. Over that we have ported GTK as the graphical toolkit. The GUI and other applications are then developed onto the GTK. For the HD video display, we integrated a utility called PlayPSF Demux from the Sigma SDK into this GUI. We also configured this player according to the output screen. Apart from this, we have modified the GTK GUI code to handle playback of two simultaneous videos. Also, to run the media contents at defined time intervals, we have made modifications in the MRUA utility of the SDK, as well as we tweaked some functions in the GTK GUI. We have also created a utility to integrate an infrared or remote device with this application. This takes us to the end of this short demo for a dual video digital signage reference software solution developed by Celestial on a Sigma Design based platform. Just to summarize, Celestial offers design and development turnkey services for Sigma Design SoC based devices like DMA, HD media player, digital signage devices, recorders, DTVs, IP set-top box, etc. For more information, please contact info.cel@celestialsys.com. Thank you.